Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Kimberly, and I am gonna show you how to tie a necktie. I'm gonna show you how to tie a necktie. For those of you who may not know how to tie a necktie, you want to pop your collar, get this underneath the collar. Okay. So your first step, you want to take the longest piece, you want to take it over the top. See, it's over the top. Go underneath, go back over, and now we're going to take it up through this hole up by your neck, this hole right up here. Okay? And now that just made a kind of a V, and you're going to stick your tie through this area right here that you just made. So you just want to stick it down in there and pull it. So now you got it tied. Perfect. Now you want to tighten it. So this here, the small one, you want to pull it down towards the floor while holding your hand up here, adjusting it as you pull it up towards your neck. You pull it up as close as you want to. There's a space back here behind this big part that this here goes in, so that the small piece is not flapping everywhere. This side is going to be a little bit shorter because I'm going to go around a couple more times than I did before. Oh, no, I'm going around this way. I'm going around, sorry, this side. So I went around over on this side, and then I'm going to go underneath. And I'm going to go around on this side. And I'm going to come closer so you can kind of see what I just did. Okay, so I went under and I came over here on this side, and then I went under again and I came over on this side. Okay, so now I want to take it across and go up here. So now again I have made a V for this to go in. And then just slide it up. And just like before, this little piece is going to go down towards the floor. You're going to pull on it, and you're going to adjust this as you're pulling on it. And that's it. Don't forget about this little piece here that goes inside. That goes back there. And there. Y'all have any questions? I do have these same videos on my YouTube channel, so please go and subscribe over there. Turn all the bells and whistles on so you can get a notification whenever I do these how-to videos. The link is in my bio here. So you can just go to my link tree that's in my bio, click on it, and just look down until you see YouTube. Thank y'all so much.